Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making a delicious and nutritious chia seed parfait, perfect for breakfast or a healthy snack. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of powdered oats, 4 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 mango, peeled and chopped, 1 apple, diced, a handful of dried raisins, a handful of almonds, a handful of strawberries, your favorite jam, 1 cup of milk, yogurt. First, let's mix the cocoa powder with 1 cup of milk until well combined. This will give our parfait a rich chocolate flavor. Next, we'll add our chia seeds to the cocoa milk mixture and let them soak overnight. This helps them expand and creates a lovely texture. Once the chia seeds are ready, it's time to layer our parfait. Start by adding a layer of yogurt at the bottom of your jar. Next, add the oat mixture that we've prepared with the cocoa milk. Now, let's add the diced apples for a nice crunch. Follow that with a handful of strawberries and the chopped mango for a burst of flavor. Now, sprinkle a handful of almonds and some dried raisins for added texture and sweetness. Finally, drizzle honey over the top as desired for that extra touch of sweetness. And there you have it, a delicious chia seed parfait that's packed with nutrients, perfect for any time of the day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what your favorite parfait ingredients are. Happy cooking!